All right, you guys, you can see how tight the links are.
What's up, Scott Squad?
What's up, Scott Squad? She done took my intro. It was my time to shine.
Back with another video. I beat you.
Yeah.
Okay, so buy Jossie's shirt. We're gonna be doing a review on a Daniel jewelry piece. So, long story short, Jossie got me my Mother's Day gift, and it just came in the mail. And so we're gonna show you guys, and then Jossie's gonna talk about it.
Yes.
So let's get into it.
So, what I got her I got her a 16-inch, 8mm, 10K handmade Miami Cuban link. Mine's is a 10mm, 14K, 21 inches. I know that's odd. I couldn't decide between the 20 and the 22, so I went with 21 inches. But yeah, so we're gonna show you guys the chains, and you can see the difference in sizing, and you can see the difference in the coloring. If you guys are like on the fence, if you want 10K or 14K or 8mm versus 10mm.
And for those of you that don't know about Cuban links and why Daniel's is so special, everything is handmade.
Yes, everything.
Everything is handmade, custom, made to order. So he didn't look at this piece of jewelry in a catalog. He had to call up the place, let them know exactly what we wanted. 10K, 14K, 21 inches, 16 or millimeters, sorry. And they make it for you.
Yep.
So.
Yep.
You want to talk about the process first, or you want to show them
so
first?
We'll talk about the process.
Okay.
So, when I first ordered it, it took about 2 months from when I first ordered it. It's very easy. You call them up. They give you the price of gold. They give you the price in labor. They add it all up, and it's just a flat rate. You give them half up front, and then you give them the other half when it's ready. They FedEx it to the closest FedEx to you, and you just pick it up from there.
And it's based on how much gold is
that
day?
Whatever.
That you order it?
When you order it, yep.
Because you guys don't know, gold fluctuates.
Yes,
the price
gold
of gold
does fluctuate. So what I paid for it today is not what you're going to pay for it tomorrow.
Yeah.
What other questions?
What was the wait time?
Wait time is about 2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
Which is pretty standard.
That's pretty standard. Well, actually, I think my first one, when I did it, it took about 3 months. So this one's pretty fast.
This one came
2 months is good. I've heard of other people. I'm not trying to talk bad about other ones like Villas, but I heard Villas took about 6 months for.
Are they out of Miami too?
They're out of Miami too. Okay. Villas is out of Miami too.
Got you. What was the customer service like?
Customer service was excellent. It's always excellent. So like I said, it was real quick and easy. I've asked for a t-shirt and a hat.
Hook this up.
T-shirt and a hat.
Where's my hat? I got a hat too.
You got a hat right here.
Very generous. Like,
Very
just
generous.
added this in our package.
Quality, A1, everything was perfect.
Exceptional service.
Exceptional service.
And so why did you choose Daniel over?
Well, I did a lot of research. My top 2 picks was CMG and Daniel's Jewelry Inc. The reason why I went with Daniel's is because they just had better reviews. They had more reviews, they had better reviews, and they just seemed like the top dogs in Miami. Now, CMG seemed like they were number 2. They were very, very close, but Daniel's won. Daniel's is the top dog in Miami. Yeah. And it shows with their craftsmanship and their quality. And
Jossie, he's all about customer service.
Oh, yeah.
Big on customer service. Big on attention to detail. Yep. And Jossie's willing to spend the money. If you have given quality and you create quality, you're going to go with that. So Daniel's 10 out of 10 as far as customer service. So let's get into the product.
Okay, guys, so this is the box, and this is my wife's 8mm, 10 karat gold, 16-inch Miami Cuban.
Oh. It's so pretty.
Has her initials on it.
I love that.
And this is a 8mm, you guys, 10 karat gold. Nice.
Love it.
All right, so this one is a 10mm, 14 karat gold, 21-inch Miami Cuban. There go my initials. Once again, this is a 14 karat gold, 10 millimeter, 21 inches, compared to an 8 millimeter. So if you guys are thinking about sizing, this is an 8 millimeter, this is a 10 millimeter. This is 10 karat gold, this is 14 karat gold.
Let's try it on.
Let's try it on, you guys.
All right, now we're gonna do a try on. Perfect. Ooh.
That looks really good. That looks really good.
So I wanted it really short, like almost choker-like, but
yeah, this is more of a choker.
Not too much, though. It's like perfect.
Yeah.
What's the length of this?
That is a 16 inch.
All right, 16 inch. I
Ladies,
think this is perfect.
if you want a 16 inch, that's what it's gonna look like. And we're gonna get this to fit on it. Ooh, that's gonna look nice.
So nice.
Let's see if they can.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice.
That's gonna look good. We have to make this wider
we have
in
to
order
widen it out so the big fat 8 millimeter Cuban fit. Pause.
So, so good. Yeah, perfect size and length for ladies.
Yeah, it looks very nice. All right, y'all. So this is mine. This is my 10 millimeter 14K.
How many inches?
21 inches. Yeah, I know you guys. Usually it's 20 or 22, but I want it to be different.
I honestly can't tell the difference between 10K and 14K.
No, it's really hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you guys are, if it's a pricing thing, hey, this 10K looks really nice.
Just as nice.
Just as nice, honestly. Yeah. So we're gonna do the hang straight test now, because I know you guys are wondering, like, y'all gonna do the hang straight test? We about to do the hang straight test.
I don't even know what that is, but Jossie did his research. He's watched a ton of videos on hang straight test, so go ahead and show him.
Time for the hang straight test. Can you take yours off, or need me to take it off for you? All right, y'all. It is time for the hang straight test. Good quality Cuban Miami Cuban links. Good quality Miami Cuban links will have no twist in it. It'll just be straight. You gotta hold it sideways, babe.
Oh, whoop-dees.
That way, whoop-dees. All right, no twist.
I don't see no twist. It's just
completely straight.
Perfect, honestly. The fact that this is handmade, just the detail on it.
Another thing with Daniels is they have really tight links.
Which I like.
Yeah, it's kind of...
Oh, it's not focusing, but...
Yeah, they have really tight links. We'll lay it back down on the ground so you guys can see it, and you guys can see how tight the links are. All right, you guys. You can see how tight the links are. And you can see up close the size difference from an 8 millimeter to a 10 millimeter.
The craftsmanship is just amazing.
So if you guys were interested in having like a pendant on your Cuban link, this is what my 21 inch 10 millimeter looks like with a pendant on it.
And I gotta get my pendant.
Yeah, she got one too.
Opened.
We just gotta get it open so it can fit on her 8 millimeter Miami Cuban.
Nice. Yeah.
Matching J's, dog.
Love it, love it, love it.
Yep. So.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching our video. If you can please comment down below, let us know what you think. Like the video and please subscribe to our channel, and we'll come back with more.
Yep. Peace.